SpaceX has dominated the entire space industry since the company was founded by the serial entrepreneur Elon Musk. In 2008, it became the first privately funded group to put a payload in Earth orbit. Since then, the company is continuously impressing people, from launching uncrewed cargo vehicles to the International Space Station and winning a $2.9 billion contract from NASA to fly astronauts in 2017. In 2017, the company made a strong move where no aerospace startup has gone or done it before. SpaceX posted 18 successful rockets, twice as many as in the previous year, on behalf of several companies in 5 major countries, as well as the Air Force, NASA, and the top-secret U.S. National Reconnaissance Office. SpaceX delivered 48 different satellites into orbit and 22,700 pounds of supplies to the International Space Station. The company that transformed itself and holds a prominent place in the space industry now has more than 60% of the global share of commercial launch contracts. But one thing SpaceX has done that changed the economies of spaceflight is by making its reusable rocket system seemingly as reliable as the sunrise. In today's time, the company has made this possible by launching 8 rockets on ocean-based drone platforms and sent 3 refurbished ones directly into the skies. Several people were talking about rockets before, but no one has achieved the milestone that SpaceX did. So, if you want to know what makes SpaceX Rockets so unique, then keep watching this video because it's going to be amazing. Hello guys, welcome to Tech Power, and today in this video, we will talk about SpaceX Rockets and what makes them so unique from other rockets. But before starting this fantastic video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. So let's get started. In today's time, when we look at SpaceX, it has become one of the most successful and prominent companies on the planet. This company has achieved so much in the space sector, and it's only because of one major thing: its rockets. When the first rocket Sputnik was launched on October 4, 1957 by Germany to fly high enough to get to space, it seemed unimaginable that this can also be done. However, a century later, Elon Musk's SpaceX has done the same thing. In December 2015, SpaceX launched a highly advanced spaceship and also was able to safely launch the rocket from the ship back on Earth into its remarkable position. When Elon Musk stated that he's launching his own space company, the company gave clear hints to the public that he will be dealing with rockets and it'll be different from what they have seen until now. Thus, Elon Musk became the man of saying because he made it possible across the space sector. So now, when everybody says rocket, they think of SpaceX. Today, the company's valuation is $74 million. But one question that lies in everybody's mind is, how did SpaceX become the most successful rocket company in the world? And more importantly, what makes SpaceX rockets so unique? Well, when people talk about rockets, they land on SpaceX's most successful rocket and Elon Musk's brainchild, Falcon 9. Having been fond of rockets in space, Elon Musk wanted to have a greenhouse containing scene on the surface of the Martian planet to develop a life there. He already talked to others who were ready to build it at such an affordable cost. However, it was not a problem. The major problem that arises was getting it to Mars. And after talking to several US companies and being rejected multiple times for this idea, Musk made a plan and traveled to Russia to buy a refurbished missile. However, Musk failed because he didn't get any financial support to promote his idea. After dealing with failures, Musk planned and hired some veteran space engineers and made 2 goals. 1. To make spaceflight affordable and reusable. 2. To make human life exist on several other planets. After working with veteran engineers and seeing a possibility, Musk started hiring employees to work for his company. And after a half-decade later, he employed over 9,500 people to work on building rockets. Since June 2015, the SpaceX triumphant rocket Falcon had been successful 123 out of 125 missions. One thing that SpaceX rockets are different from others is its price. Everyone knows that affordability is the primary goal of SpaceX, and as uploaded on the company's official website, the cost of the Falcon 9 rocket is $62 million. This is less than what other US companies cost to launch rockets into orbit. To make rockets affordable, Musk designed its Falcon rockets using cheap but durable materials. Each of the Falcon rocket stages is powered by Raptor engines and liquid oxygen. Both stages are made of aluminum and are of the same diameter, to reduce the processes and speed up the production. SpaceX veteran engineer Tom Mueller made an engine called the Pintle, which turned out to be great for a Falcon 9, which is less expensive to make, but also less when it comes to instability and combustion. The Falcon rockets were made to achieve reliability. The controls and flight computers that run on Linux can command even the entire system has been severely damaged. And when it comes to talking about flying, the Falcon rockets can easily take off and keep on flying without damaging anything. The first engine takes charge while taking off, and after 90 seconds, the second engine shuts down to make it a reliable rocket. Even if the rocket exploded, there wouldn't be a single person getting affected. And to avoid such an explosion, numerous expensive tests are conducted on the engines to ensure that they're safe and working at optimal strength. All these tests are done at the production house because it's the only place where all components of rockets are assembled to reduce production costs and speed up production faster. The technology inside Falcon 9 was extraordinary, but SpaceX decided not to stop it here. After achieving immense success from the Falcon 9, Elon Musk added one new member into the Falcon family, the Falcon Heavy. On the 6th of February 2018, the Falcon Heavy completed its first launch from Florida. The Heavy was considered a historic launch because it consisted of a car sent towards Mars. Due to its robust features and advanced high-tech technology, the Falcon Heavy is superior to Falcon 9. With its sheer features and ability to safely enter into Earth orbit, the Heavy is a lot cheaper than other space rockets out there in the market. The Heavy is known as the most powerful rocket in the world. Equipped with 3 engines, this rocket can lift 64 metric tons directly into orbit and generate 5 million pounds of thrust at liftoff. Now that's what we call an incredible amount of power, isn't it? All these features help Heavy to carry more extensively into orbit than Falcon 9. That's not all. The rocket will also play a significant role in transporting satellites into space for the future. There is one other rocket that is under development since 2016, which is Starship. The rocket is a 2-stage super heavy launch vehicle. While there is time to put this rocket into space, but there is excitement all around the space industry. Starship is going to be a massive game changer that'll redefine the entire space transportation. All this is because of its reusable Raptor engines that power the entire launch system with its metal ox-stage combustion engine. The engine is powered by liquid methane and liquid oxygen and can carry 100 metric tons into Earth orbit. And while there are news spreading like wildfire about the launch of Starship that is soon expected to launch in 2021, scientists and space enthusiasts are already excited to see this marvel. Over the years, SpaceX and Elon Musk proved that everything is possible. From building reusable rockets to planning colonization on Mars, this man has left nothing to be unproven. What do you think about SpaceX rockets? Do you agree that they have changed the entire rocket system, or do you think they're just a regular thing? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and we will be happy to hear from you. Also, if you found this video interesting, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.